Hello students, today we are going to learn about the crimping tool and how we crimp the actual wire with the help of crimping tool. So first of all, starting with our practical, we are supposed to understand or know the what type of tools we require to crimp the wire or a cable. So this is nothing but the crimping tool where we can insert a wire here and we can cut the sheet outer present in the wire. Outer sheet is look like this. This is nothing but the outer sheet of our cable wire. Next thing that we require to crimp the wire, those are, this is the modular plug connector or a cutter. This cutter help us to put the actual these wires into the crimping connector. This is the crimping connector. With the help of crimping tool, we place this crimping connector into the wire. And next tool that we require here is the RJ45 connector. RJ45 connector has these type of slots. These slots help us to grip or hold the inner wires present in the coaxial cable. So first of all, we understand that this is nothing but the land tester. How these tools are work that we are learn today. So here we are learning about the crimping of wire. So this is the twisted pair cable. Inner thing of this twisted pair cable has these type of wires. There are four types of wire with the white wire present with it. First is brown color wire, next is blue, next is green and the orange wire. This is an unshielded twisted pair cable. While crimping the cable, we use this crimping tool. We just enter this wire into the crimping tool and first we have to cut the outer sheet to remove the cables like this. After removing these actual wires, we can insert these wires into this connector. This is nothing but the RJ45 connector. Before entering this connector, we require two types of cable code. There are, while doing the crimping, we require code A or code B. So code A connectivity is quite different than the code B because there are two types of connectivity is used while crimping the wires. First is straight and second is crossover. So code A and code B has some different coding strategy. Those are, while doing the code A, we need to have a green wire or green color wire with the white color wire. Before doing the crimping of this cable, we going to differentiate or separate all these wire with the white wire. Next thing that we have to do is to use a code A or code B. Here I can show you the code B where we require white color wire. There are each wire has a white color wire. So white color wire with the orange wire. Second is orange wire. Third is white with a green wire. Next is blue wire. Next is blue with a white wire. Next is again a white with a brown wire. These are the actual color code created. After creating this color code, we have to just insert these wire into the slots present in the connector, RJ45 connector. This is the RJ45 connector where we insert this wire into the slots present in the RJ45 connector. After inserting this wire, we use this tester or a wire tester. After that, we just enter this connector with the help of our hand into the crimping tools. And after entering like this, after entering the cable or the RJ45 wire into the crimping tool, we have to just press our hand and crimp the wire. After pressing, it will crimp the wire and you cannot separate the wires with the RJ45 connector. This is the actual crimping of the cable. After creating the crimping of this wire, we require to understand whether this connectivity is perfect or not. To understand or to check the connectivity is proper or not, we use this tester. We just enter our crimped wire into this tester. While entering, it shows us like this. We enter, it's fixed. We have to just press this thing of RJ45 connector and just press into the slot. So it fixed into this tester. And these are the tester nodes. While pressing this, these can activate and it shows us the green light. If this crimping is perfect, each blink of number shows green light. But if it has some problem, then it shows a red color. So this is the important tool for crimping, to understand whether crimping is perfect or not. So this is today's practical of crimping of tool. So now I hope you all understand today's practical. Thank you so much.